Just a little bit right here. Nice.
But it was just too much. So we talk about in school, it's all about dosage, right?
Nice.
So, but if it hurts, it tends to
All right.
We're not done. We
It
got.
just felt nice.
Oh, okay.
Man.
See how the elbow is doing here. Nice.
I've never had that happen.
Yeah, that's interesting. I can't. I'll do this on the other side, and then I'll do your shoulder.
Okay.
I can't wait to do the knee adjustment on you.
Oh yeah, I'm looking forward to that one.
That one doesn't pop a lot, but it really gaps that joint a bunch. All right, let's do. I can do the shoulder on this side. Oh, nice.
That's a good one. I love coming here. Started coming here. Got my knee repaired through surgery. Just about every single tendon got damaged. And on top of the physical therapy, the chiropractic services and the massage services as well are just above and beyond. I couldn't be happier. Yeah. Oh yeah. Full ride.
I like it. Lock and lock.
Yep.